talk about the Family Constitution Design Workshop by Equalify. I'll be your faculty, Dr. Nupur Pawan Bang, for this workshop, and it will be held in the virtual mode. So let me just give you a little bit of brief and background about the program and about family constitutions. A family constitution is like a compass. It lays down the family's values, vision, and the principles by which the decisions will be made in the family business. For example, who joins the business, what are the qualifications needed, how conflicts will be resolved, how wealth is managed at the family level, and how is the ownership structuring done for the business, for the family assets, how the family stays connected, and so on. It's not a legal document in most of the cases. It is based on trust. It is based on good intentions. It safeguards, love or trust that the family has. It ensures that the business grows without the family breaking apart, or rather proactively puts in place safeguards so that the business grows harmoniously and the family stays together harmoniously. Some of the very common roadblocks that family businesses face when making a constitution is really the mindset. Many family businesses ask that, do we really need this? Will it open old wounds, or do we need a document to actually tell us how to talk to each other or how to behave with each other? But in reality, it's not talking about certain things that disturbs the equilibrium or that disturbs the harmony and togetherness later on. Another challenge that families often face is time. It takes a lot of patience to bring everyone together and build consensus on a lot of things that goes into the family constitution. But once the first few conversations happen, most families find it quite useful, and they find it liberating actually. A lot of times it is the next generation that takes the initiative to work on the constitution and to get people to agree that the families need a constitution. The next generation brings in the new energy, new perspectives, and a sense of fairness, if I may say so. They often push for structure, not because they want control, but because they want clarity. And when both the generations collaborate on the constitution, it actually becomes a living document. It's not a piece of paper that gathers dust. About the workshop itself, it is designed to be immersive and practical. It is spread over a few weeks so that the participants have time to reflect between the sessions. Each week we will focus on a specific theme. For example, understanding the family systems, governance mechanisms, communication, and finally the drafting of the constitution itself. It will be a balance of theory and real life examples and some guided reflection. What the participants should actually take away from this is how do you move from abstract ideas to actionable steps. By the end of it, you not only learn how to outline a constitution, but a deeper understanding of how family dynamics and how the business structures and processes they come together to make a good constitution. While it will be useful for both advisors and family businesses, the families will find direction on how to start about family constitutions. Advisors will also gain tools to guide their clients better. And even the family office professionals will understand the human side of wealth and governance. Ultimately, anyone who believes that good families build great businesses will find this workshop useful. So I would urge you people to urge anyone who works with family businesses to consider attending this workshop. If there are any further queries, feel free to channel them to me or to the qualified team. We'll be happy to guide you. Thank you for listening.